Alright, I'm going to replace on my headphones, which is MDR-XB600, because these were kind of damaged. So now I already removed this. I couldn't find none of this on YouTube, so I decided to do my video for the very first time, and I ordered this on Amazon. I think it cost me like 10 bucks. It's easy to see through, very similar to the originals. See? So I'm gonna see how it is over here. It's pretty easy to replace. Now I'm gonna remove this. See, I'm going to remove this. I'm holding my phone with one hand, and I'm carrying this with one hand too. So in comparison, we still have this little bit that it's had to be removed. And we'll end up being like this one right here. See? Listen to some old music. Here are the new ones. We just remove this and then stick it in there, and it'll be fine. And boom, here it is, just like new. It's pretty good. You just have to remove this and stick it in there. And this is the old. So good luck, guys.